Alright, so let's talk about inflation and unemployment and how they're related. This is an example of my understanding. So this is Sally. She works in a perfume shop, and she makes more than minimum wage. This is Martha, who's a working mom, and this is her income. Martha takes out money from her income each month to buy perfume from Sally, but with inflation rising, her grocery bill is bigger, and she has to pay more for gas each month. Therefore, the money that she took out for perfume, she has to use in order to pay for her basic needs. Since the perfume shop that Sally's working at is making less money, they decide to let her go and keep on lower paid employees. This leaves Sally without a job and Martha without any perfume. Supply and demand are a huge factor when it comes to inflation and prices. So say we're talking about bananas. There's the supply of bananas. Here's the demand. It's really small. So since the demand is so low, but the bananas need to be sold, they can make them about $1 a piece, so cheap that people will buy them. However, if the demand grows to be way larger and the supply is still the same amount, they can charge $10, maybe $20. Since people are in so much need, they'll spend more money. This is how prices of things raise. A well-known theory relating to inflation and unemployment is Phillips' curve. Here is a picture. There's unemployment on the bottom and inflation on the side. This states that the less unemployment means higher inflation. Phillips stated that unemployment, when it is high, means that the wages increase slowly. With the unemployment being low, wages increase rapidly. Edmund Phelps and Milton Friedman challenged Phillips, saying that wages would adjust to make the supply of labor equal to the demand for labor. Here's a picture of the natural rate. There are also many other graphs stating that unemployment and inflation can be so different and not relating that there is no theory possible to describe it. My understanding is that the more things cost, the less people can afford to buy anything. Therefore, the less that will be sold. This being that inflation is not a good thing, and that we do not need to be spending more money on more groceries.